Okay, it's mail day. And I think I know who this is from, but it does not say here on the customs declaration. So let's just have a look. I'll hide the shipping info. Oh, it's another light, but different maybe. Oh, it's a little. I think this is from HD the Wise, you guys. Well, let's get it plugged in. Oh, it works already right out of the box. Look at that. That's fantastic. Once again. Oh. And we'll get it on charge. I got to use a USB connector. I have one over on the other side. Well, thank you again, man. That is, I think this one fits in the hand a little bit better than the other ones, eh? And it seems a little more robust. Thanks a lot. So cool, eh? And I've said this over and over again, you guys. I can't believe the generosity of subscribers and viewers. It's just unbelievable. So thank you very much. Bye. Now I'll read the instructions. Okay, my friends, I've got to get started on the yard, but we still have this. And my lawn is starting to come around, but it needs to be edged and tripped out up front, edged and trimmed, excuse me. So I'm going to go do that. First of all, I've got to get the trimmer running. So come on in here. I use one of these little weed eaters. It's a bigger one. And I am going to confess, now that I'm using ethanol-free fuel with stabilizer, I don't run my engines out of gas anymore over the season. So this should be an interesting video. I haven't added fuel to it. In fact, that's empty. I have to mix up some 50 to 1, right? So let's just see how this goes. Hopefully I don't get a heart attack trying to get this thing running. Don't even want to joke about that, right? Doesn't seem like there's a lot of suction on that bulb. There we go. Okay, choke. Let's just see what we got. Full choke, sorry. Now, it was down to +3 last night, right? Remember that? No, you guys don't watch the weather here. It's not sucking very good. Maybe I got a broken bulb. Well, it should be leaking fuel. Oh, now I can hear it now. I don't see it squirting out of the primer. It's coming. I don't know. I don't hear it. I don't hear it priming. Remember, it went down to freezing last night. So when I mean weed whacking in the snow, I'm not kidding you. There's a nice line through there now. And here. And on the edge here for the vegetable garden. And back. And the whole front is done too. So now I'm going to pull out the old Honda to see if it starts. And it should. I usually store that like that. Okay, let's go get the Honda. I don't know if I should use the Honda or the weed eater that I haven't sold yet. Here's the old Tecumseh, right? Let's just see if we have two things. Oh, we got a half a tank of gas. That's always good. And do we have any oil? Should be right up, right? Yep. Okay. Let's just see if it goes. You guys can watch from there. Oh, there's my furnace. This is not typical May weather we're having here, guys. Now this one uses a pulse of air, so you can do as many as you like. I'll be back. Okay, I've edged the lawn on the front and the back. Just looks better, right? Now I am going to spread a little bit of lawn treatment over here under the spruce tree. You can see it's still dry as a bone there. And then over there we have some life. And around the edges we have life. May, right? Not April. So I'm just going to spread a little bit of love around the base of that tree. And I'm ready to get in. This is a seed soil amendment mix, but I don't want to get it into the rocks, eh? I'll bring it right to the edge. You get the idea. So look at where the spruce tree has taken all the nutrients out of the soil from there to there, eh? It's almost a line. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, I just watered it in. Isn't that something that you can see that green line, eh, right there? So the roots of the tree must come to the south, or it's just sun-baked because of the spruce needles being acidic. Right on.